How to make friends. 10 simple tips. Making new friends can feel like a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're moving to a new place, starting a new job, or just looking to expand your circle, there are simple strategies that can help you build lasting friendships. Here are 10 tips to make new friends and create meaningful connections. Be open and approachable. Tip number 1. First impressions matter. A genuine smile and positive body language can make you seem more approachable. Don't be afraid to look friendly and open, whether it's at a social event or just walking around your neighborhood. Start small. Tip number 2. You don't need to dive deep into serious conversations right away. Small talk is the perfect way to get the ball rolling. Compliment someone on their outfit, ask about their day, or comment on something happening around you. It's the little things that often lead to bigger conversations. Be a good listener. Tip number 3. People love to be heard, so make sure you're listening as much as you're speaking. When someone talks, show genuine interest, ask questions, and be an active listener. This builds rapport and helps create a bond. Be yourself. Tip number 4. Authenticity is key when building friendships. Don't try to be someone you're not just to fit in. People appreciate genuine connections, so embrace who you are and let others do the same. Join groups or activities. Tip number 5. Whether it's a hobby group, a sports team, or volunteering for a cause, joining an activity that interests you is a great way to meet like-minded people. It gives you a natural context to start conversations and bond over shared passions. Be consistent. Tip number 6. Building friendships takes time. Stay in touch with the people you meet by following up with messages or invitations to hang out. Consistency shows that you're interested in developing a lasting connection. Put yourself out there. Tip number 7. Don't wait for others to make the first move. Take the initiative and invite someone to coffee, a movie, or to hang out. It might feel intimidating at first, but making the first move can pay off in the form of meaningful friendships. Be respectful and kind. Tip number 8. Kindness goes a long way in any relationship. Be respectful of others' boundaries. Show empathy when needed, and offer support. A small gesture can leave a lasting impression and open the door for deeper connections. Be open to different types of people. Tip number 9. Friendships don't always look the same. Be open to people who have different experiences or backgrounds than you. Diversity in friendships helps you grow, learn new things, and broaden your perspective. Have fun. Tip number 10. Don't overthink it. Sometimes the best friendships develop when you're just having fun. Enjoy the moment, laugh, and don't stress too much about saying the right thing. Relax and let things flow naturally. Final thoughts. Making friends is a journey, and while it may feel intimidating at times, remember that being genuine, kind, and consistent will always help you build stronger connections. Not every interaction will lead to a lifelong friend, but by following these tips, you'll increase your chances of forming meaningful and lasting relationships. So, what's your best tip for making new friends? Drop it in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts.